In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for digital products. If you want to create digital downloads like ebooks, planners, worksheets, or editable templates, Canva is a great place to do it. The key is to set things up properly from the beginning so your design looks polished, your pages stay organized, and your final file is easy to deliver to customers. To get started, open your desktop web browser, go to canva.com, and log into your account. Once you're on the Canva home screen, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This is where you'll begin building your digital product. A menu will appear with different design formats. Choose the format that best matches the product you want to make. For example, document works well for ebooks and printable planners, while presentation is useful for slide-based digital products. After your blank canvas opens, go to the top menu, click File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. This gives you a clear guide so your text and design elements don't sit too close to the edge. Next, start building the overall look of your product. On the left-hand side, click Design and use the search bar to look for a layout or template style that matches your theme. Once you find one you like, click it to apply it to your first page. If you're creating a multi-page product, there's no need to rebuild everything from scratch. Use the duplicate page icon above the page thumbnail area to copy the page layout. This helps you keep your design consistent while changing the text or content on each page. Now it's time to format your text and add links. Double-click inside any text box to edit it, then use the top toolbar to choose a clean, readable font and adjust the size as needed. If you want your digital product to be interactive, highlight a word or phrase, click the chain link icon in the top toolbar, and add either a website URL or a link to another page in the document. This is especially useful for clickable workbooks, guides, or digital planners. If you're selling an editable Canva template instead of a finished file, make sure you share it the right way. Click Share in the top right corner, then choose More. Scroll down and select Template Link. Copy that link and use it for delivery. This is important because it gives your customer their own copy of the design while keeping your original file safe and unchanged. Before exporting, do a final review of your design, move your elements around slightly, and use Canva's alignment guides to check that everything is lined up neatly. When you're ready, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Standard for interactive files with clickable links or PDF Print for high-quality printable products. Then click Download.